Back here at home, the Converge Fiber Xers draw first blood against the Rain or Shine Elastopainters in the PBA Commissioner's Cup quarterfinals. It was actually Rain or Shine that was off to a hot start, hitting 7 of 10 threes to outscore the third-seeded Converge in the first 39-26. But the Fiber Xers showed signs of life and even retook the lead at the half through stellar defense, 64-62. Come the second half, the E-Painters suffered a huge blow after import Dion Thompson fouled out with 8 minutes to go in the third quarter. Thompson had 14 points and 6 rebounds at that point. Converge pounced on the all-Filipino E-Painters as they kept going inside to their import, Chick Diallo. This got them a double-digit lead in the fourth and eventually a 130-118 victory. Diallo dominated for Converge, notching 35 points, 17 rebounds, and 3 blocks. Justin Arana chipped in 22 markers off the bench, missing just one of his 11 shots in his return from a knee injury a couple of weeks ago. The Fiber Xers are now a win away from moving on to the semifinals. And here are Arana and Converge head coach Franco Atienza talking about the win.
You have to put it into context. This is a series, so this win means nothing kung hindi namin ma-close out. No? Yeah, same as nung eliminations. No, we medyo flat start kami, and that's something really we have to solve. It's nice naman kasi at least we showed some resilience. We were able to get back. Of course, with the help with this guy beside me. Kahit paano, we got our bearings. We were able to make stops. Yun naman eh. Pagdating sa playoffs, no matter how you score, kung hindi ka makastop, hindi ka makakabalik. So, yeah. Pero game 1 pa lang to. We need to close this out on Friday.
Yung focus kasi namin is manalo talaga eh. Kasi this is pang-lima na namin to sa quarterfinals and hindi pa kami nakakalusot sa apat na yun. So super, kumbaga gigil talaga kami na makakuha and ma-sealed yung panalo this game 1.